Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we are going to talk about the product THAPPINK Dermaroller for hair beard growth. Microneedling roller beard Dermaroller for face, body, scalp, men, women. This is a popular roller for anyone to use at home at any time, and it is more effective than 0.25 ml Dermaroller. Its unique and portable design makes it easy to hold and use, and it is convenient to carry it in your bag on vacation or at home. It also comes with a storage case to save you time and money from going to the salon. The Dermaroller is a great gift choice for your family and friends on Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas. All in all, THAPPINK Dermaroller for hair beard growth, Microneedling roller beard Dermaroller for face, body, scalp, men, women is an ideal choice for home use to meet your different needs. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.